So this exercise is called reclaiming one area of control. When everything feels out of control, everything feels spinning, like Susan just talked about, we're going to reclaim one little piece of that, one little piece at a time. So this is an experiential. You have to get out a piece of paper, preferably your journals, and take that piece of paper and draw two columns, just like a line down the middle of your page. So you have one column and one on either side. So on the left-hand side, well, this is my left, write, not in my control today. Can't do it, can't control. On the right side, this is in my control this week or today. I can control it. So on the left, that's the list you can't solve. You're going to look at it, you're going to write it down, look at it and go, not today. And then on the right, you're going to list at least 3 simple, small actions that you can take to solve whatever you wrote down. 3. Maybe pay a bill. Maybe open the bill. Maybe organize your bills by date of what they need to be paid. Make one up. What can you do today to solve what you have in your right-hand column? And when all that's done, you've created a game plan of how to control what you can control today or this week or this month. And then I want you to say out loud this. I focus my energy on what I can do.
Focus my energy on what I can do.
I focus my energy on what I can do.
Focus my energy on what I can do.
We're going to do it one more time. And you can say it in different ways. I focus my energy on what I can do.
Focus my energy on what I can do.
And take a good deep breath. And Susan, did you notice by saying it, what I can do, I felt your power just go.
I could totally feel it inside, and I could totally, it was true. It was my own now. But the first couple times it was like, yeah, maybe. But saying it with the really strong I can do, it totally brought it right in. So that
Right.
was awesome.
And it's bringing your power back to you and making those decisions and putting the problems out on paper gets them out of your brain and into a logical way. So you're switching from your subconscious mind, which is telling you you have a scarcity mindset, to a conscious mind to, okay, I have these issues. What can I do? And then repeating that focus, I focus my energy on what I can do, brings back your power. It's a very simple yet profound exercise.
One thing I noticed is that the things that were on the left were things having to do with other people, other members of my family, things that other people think I should do. It's basically other people's stuff were the ones that came up on my left side that not in my control. And just by saying that has nothing to do with me, their stuff and their opinions and their ideas has nothing to do with me. So what is in my control is what I believe and what I work on and what I do. So that was just fascinating to notice that that's what came out right at the chute. So that was so good.
I do often get caught up in what other people's stuff, especially family stuff.